Alright, everybody, I need your attention. Now, as you know, the guys from Bungie asked us to help them show off the new maps they made for Halo 3.
They even sent a representative from Bungie to show us around.
Someone from Bungie's coming to hang out with us?
That's not what I said.
Hey guys, how's everyone doing today?
Oh, cool! That guy!
He's famous.
Not exactly.
What? Come on, that's Guilty Spark. He's like one of the main characters.
Yeah, we couldn't get the actual Guilty Spark, so this is the Spark's lighting and stunt double.
What?
I got the job because I look like Mr. Spark.
That's the lamest thing I've ever heard.
Yep, and they even let me give tours on the weekend to earn extra money.
Lamest thing until I just heard that.
Anyway, Ralph is here to show us around.
Who?
Ralph.
Ralph? Who the hell is Ralph?
That's me.
Yeah, him.
Come on, can you have a better name? Like Super Spark Jr.?
Or something like Eyeball 3000.
Or Richard?
Dude, Eyeball 3000 for sure.
Well, that's not really my name. I just prefer it if you would...
Like I was saying, Eyeball 3000 is here to give me and Sarge a VIP tour of all the new levels.
You just added the VIP part, didn't you?
Yeah.
Let's start the tour right here. What do you think?
Think of what?
This new level. It's called Foundry.
This? This is a big empty room.
Actually, it has a default configuration of crates and objects, but we deleted all the items so that you can use the level as a blank slate. Now, with the new objects available in Forge, you can make any kind of arena that you want.
Okay, be honest. Since it's split with Microsoft, the programming budget just ain't what it used to be. Is that it?
Okay, why don't you guys just stay here and check this place out while me and Sarge inspect the next one?
Come on, try configuring the room in new and exciting ways. See what you can come up with in Forge.
What are we supposed to do with an empty room?
Use your imagination.
My imagination? This game is only rated M for mature. I reserve my imagination for the adults only.
Yeah, okay, let's move on.
Take the corner. Watch it.
This is Rat's Nest, based on the Crow's Nest level in Campaign.
Coming through.
Except it's been redesigned for a multiplayer experience.
Cool! Hey, this outer track, does this thing go all the way around?
Yes, and in here, you'll find a shortcut that leads to either base. So, you can take the vehicles around the outside, or you can run straight up the middle to the enemy's territory.
Straight up the middle. That's like hitting them from behind. But in front.
Hey, what are these things?
Please don't touch those.
Oh, why? Because they belong to Red Team?
No, because they're armed, and they have a 20 megaton payload.
Oh, yeah, those are good reasons, too.
Hey, look at this. It's a central turret that can be used against either team. Preferably blue team.
Either team? Man, Caboose is gonna have a heyday with that thing. Nah, crap. That reminds me. We should probably go and check on them. Make sure they haven't broken anything.
Good idea. Let's go.
Hey, check it out, Sarge. We've been running experiments while you were gone.
What is that thing?
It simulates a zero-gravity environment by using a series of grav lifts, all aimed at a precise location. It lets us accelerate objects without friction.
Okay. What does it do in English?
See how Grif is standing over there at the other end? Now, when I place something in this end, the lifts accelerate it through to the other end, and it gains speed at every point.
Like what kind of objects?
Well, if you hang on a second, I'll show you. Man, amateurs.
Wow, Simmons, I've never heard you talk to Sarge like that. When did you get such huge balls?
Oh, these things? They're one of the new objects available in Forge. Pretty cool, huh? Watch what happens when I put one in the device. Drum roll, please.
Ow! So you've invented a device that fires things at Grif's face?
This might possibly be the greatest discovery in the history of mankind.
It has other applications as well, sir.
You mean you can fire other objects at Griff's face? Like a traffic cone?
Ow!
Or a spool of 6-gauge wire?
Okay, now that's just ridiculous.
Or a half-ton dumpster? Yeah.
Hey guys, Caboose thought he could build something in Forge like Simmons did. I think you might want to come take a look at this.
What the?
Oh, hi guys.
Look what I made.
How? I use the Forge every day.
You built all this with barrels and crates?
Yep. I don't think I got the sky part exactly how I want it yet.
What? Caboose, how did you manage this?
Well, the scary floaty thing said to use Tucker's imagination. But I didn't have his. I only had mine. So, I used my imagination to pretend like I had Tucker's. And look what I came up with!
Thanks. I think.
Yeah. Tucker, you're very creative.
Is that a base?
Yes. There's two. One for the red team and one for the good team. I even included some of the upgrades you guys asked for. Because that's how I roll.
Look, computers!
So that you can do your math. And there's a quiet place for Grif to sleep.
Yes!
And a place for Sarge to turn up the heat in the place where Grif sleeps.
Ow.
Donut, try hitting that switch.
Look! He made windows that open!
You always said the bases would look better with more natural light, so yeah.
Aw, you took my suggestion!
And that switch also reveals a rear entrance.
Wow! You took all my suggestions!
Hey, dude, what about our base?
It's pretty much the same, but there's no room for Tucker in it. So, in a way, it's much better.
Great.
You guys do realize he didn't build this. This is the third new map. It's Standoff.
Yeah, but we found it's easier to humor him than to explain stuff to him.
Okay, we're sold. When can we move in?
All 3 maps, Foundry, Standoff, and Rat's Nest, will be available starting December 11th on Xbox Live Marketplace. Download it early so you can pwn all the noobs on December 26th. For more info, just visit Bungie.net.